Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on HFT. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that HFT has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and this was my last video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally, after breaking out this resistance, it has reached the resistance, the next very long-term resistance of 40 cents that was previously breaking as a resistance for the past several weeks here. And before that, it was breaking as a support here. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for HFT that I shared on 14th of November 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that HFT formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone, then again dropped down, then we had a bigger pump. Now let me to take you to the live chart of HFT, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of January 2023, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern, and after getting squeezed inside this wedge, we have finally broken out the resistance, and now we are about to hit the next long-term resistance of 40 cents. And this level had been previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks. And before that, it was breaking as a support here when we had this big drop in the month of May 2023. You can see we had a nice bounce, but finally we broke it down. And after that, it was flipped into a strong resistance. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here HFT has found another support and resistance. And this is the formation of another rising wedge pattern. You can see this is the support that recently it has found, and this is the resistance. And you can see again, it is getting squeezed inside this recent falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed, there will be a very high probability that soon it may break out this resistance or break down the support. In case of breaking down, the target to the downside is quite low at the bottom of the wedge. That is approximately 20 cents. But in my point of view, and that will be really difficult for the price to drop as that much down, but it can retest the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern, the bigger falling wedge pattern, as a support. And in case of breaking out, and there is a very high probability for the breakout because despite this the bearish bias pattern, but the price line has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, therefore it can break out this next rising wedge pattern as well. And the target for the breakout will be here. It depends from where it will break out. For example, if we will have a breakout from 40 cents, then the target to the outside can be approximately at 57 or 58 cents. And in that situation, it can also make a powerful attempt to break out the next resistance of 60 cents as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately between 95 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.